Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Does a feeling of loneliness overwhelm you at times? Do you feel lonely even when you are with people? If you have been having such intense and strange feelings of loneliness, then trust me, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Shubha, and today I'll share with you a few ways through which you can overcome your loneliness. First of all, please understand that loneliness is a feeling, it's not a fact, although it tends to cloud our mind at times. Our mind tries to interpret loneliness in different ways. Why am I lonely? Is it because no one loves me? Is it because I'm not worthy to be loved? And so on and on. Theories of why you are lonely can become confused with facts. So, just accept loneliness as a feeling that will pass and do not analyze or magnify it any further. Secondly, shift your energy from seeking to giving. When we concentrate on the needs and feelings of others rather than our own lonely moods and feelings, we feel that our loneliness dissolves. I can choose to walk down the road feeling lonely and unhappy and lost in my own thoughts. Or I can choose to walk down the road smiling at everyone and feeling happy to cross my path with a multitude of diverse people and wishing them good in my heart. Just a little shift in your attitude will help you feel more connected to everyone. Thirdly, identify something that you're passionate about and then seek like-minded people. For example, you could be passionate about hiking or music or photography. Why don't you join a forum or a meetup group where there are other people who also share your passion? Common zeal and enthusiasm can be a great binding force that brings people together. Along the same lines, why don't you consider volunteering for a cause that's close to your heart? It could be children or animals or the environment or anything that you feel deeply about. Getting involved in something that you care about and giving your passionate energy will help you feel more connected to everyone else. The fifth tip is consider having a pet. Pets give us unconditional love and help us to foster a nurturing relationship. This can be the ultimate antidote for loneliness. Here is the sixth tip. Why don't you try and strengthen the bonds from the past? Perhaps you already have connections from the past that have gone astray with the passage of time. Perhaps it's time to reconnect with those friends and family members. Why don't you call them over or go out with them and think of meaningful ways to spend time with those family members with whom you have always shared a deep bond? Finally, please understand that being alone does not mean being lonely. We don't have to engage with people all the time. Sometimes it's good to be alone to connect to our own deeper self. When we feel whole and complete and fulfilled from within, then we never feel lonely again. Let me share with you these words from the beautiful poem by William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, besides the lakes beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. There is a place of joy and completeness within us which we can access only in quiet moments in nature or in meditation. These few moments of solitude help us to know that we are all connected together at the deepest level. So friends, let's enjoy and celebrate this life together, sometimes with others and sometimes alone, but never lonely. Hope to see you soon on the next episode of Soul Talks with Shubha, where we continue this beautiful and transformative journey together.